What up, YouTube? It's your boy Vilo 2 times here with Hidden Empire Shirts and Prints. Today I'm gonna show y'all how to start a clothing brand or clothing business for just 500 bucks. You're gonna need a 10 pack of t-shirts, 10 designs, front and back print, and a heat press, and you good to go. Now let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to get is a heat press. I got mine off Amazon. It's the Tussie 15 by 15. This was $230. A lot of people will tell you, oh, don't start with a cheap heat press. They don't last long. They last about 8 months. I have mine over a year, still no problems. Now in the reviews, you'll see people talking about how this mat don't stay down and how they had to Velcro it and all this stuff. And I'm gonna show you why I got it because of that. Like that's the whole reason I chose this one, was because this mat don't stay down. I'll show you when I'm pressing what I'm talking about. Next, you gotta get a design. Alright, if you get on Fiverr, you can find someone to make you one anywhere from like $5 to $50, even more than that for like the more complex ones. So what I did, I had someone make this. I think this cost me like $15, and then I made that myself. This is front and back. If you want to have someone in your like city or your state do it, just get on Facebook or Instagram. Ask the local rappers, local artists who does graphics, and they will show you. After you get your design, you gotta make sure it's PNG file. You gotta have it sized to what you want. These ones, I think they're 11 by 15, and then right here, I went 2 inches and then maybe 3.5 wide for the front. Don't get off a super color if you're getting like a 10 pack. Save some money, go on Etsy, order the prints. I paid $7 for each print on this. I got the 10 pack plus the 11 sheet for the front prints. Came out to $80. Now let's get into the t-shirts. I'm using All Style 1301. Sometimes I use Pro Clubs because where I'm from, people really like that baggy streetwear type of fit. If you're into more of that like slim fit t-shirt, I would say Next Level or Bella Canvas. They're a little more pricey. I think they're like $5-6 a t-shirt. I ordered these ones off of jiffyshirts.com. I'll post a screenshot and let you see how much it came out to, but it was about $50. Now these are the necessities you need while pressing your shirts. You need the adhesive tape. This goes on to your prints. You put it onto your shirt and it stops it from sliding all over the place when you're pressing or when you're like trying to see where it's at on body and everything. This was I think $10.99. The scissors, dollar store, get them for $1. Then you need your parchment paper. This goes over the prints when you're pressing it to make sure nothing gets stuck to your heat press. It's gonna be a mess right there. You don't want that. Now this is optional, but I got them. They were $11.99. These are the t-shirt rulers. It helps you make sure everything is centered. Left pocket, right pocket. Then you got your back right there. I'll show you how to use that when I press it right now. Now these are your clear t-shirt bags. This was a 50 pack for $13.99. That's when you're packaging your t-shirts. I got the black poly mailers. I think this was a 100 pack for $13.99. Great for shipping. You can fit 2 t-shirts in there. If you are going to be shipping out your shirts, I recommend getting a scale. They're $20, and then using Pirate Ship, you really save a lot of money on there if you're shipping multiple t-shirts at once. So sometimes I send out like a 10 pack, and without Pirate Ship, I was paying like $20, $25, but with Pirate Ship, quick little $10 and it's gone. Yes, sir. So now we're gonna press the t-shirt. This is why I chose this press. People talk shit about it, saying, oh, the mat doesn't stay down. To me, that's good, man. It's not a pull out or a rotating press. So you pull the mat out, you place your t-shirt front and center where it's supposed to be at, pre-press it. So you want to get it on there like that, so you can pre-press it, get some of these wrinkles out real quick, get it on there real nice. Now when you pre-press it, you just want to do it for like 5 seconds. All right there, pull it up. Everything's nice, no more wrinkles. So after you get it pre-pressed, you want to get your thing ready to go. So we're gonna put this here in the center. Sometimes you just have to maneuver it to where it looks centered out. Like see right here, we're going off of that gap and that gap. But since we're doing the left chest print, we're gonna go off of the seam right here. So we're gonna drag it over like that to about right there. We're gonna make sure it's squared out. Looks good right there. Grab the Zona Made. And then the way I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna go, let's see, about right there. I'm gonna bring it up to maybe right there. See how it's like lined up? I got the O lined up with the seam. Then I have it up right there, lined up with those little lines. About right there. Looks good. See, now it's on there. You can pull the shirt out like that. Try to look at it. You can pick it up. I tape top and bottom. For the bigger ones, I'll tape the 4 corners, but this one's good like that. Now we're gonna get it on the press. We got it on the press. We're gonna put the parchment paper over like that. We're gonna press it down. This one goes at 300 degrees for 12 seconds. Now that it's done, we're gonna pull it off, and it says to let it cool down before you peel it, and then press it again for another 5 seconds. So while the front's cooling down, we're gonna get the back all lined up and ready to go. So this one did have the center crease on the back. It looked real good, so I just lined it up with there. And as you can see with the skull, it has a line right there in the center. We're gonna line that up with the center. And then for the letters, I have them right at the edge of the line right there on the ones. So that way everything's nice right there, and I have it real centered with the shirt right here. So now we're just gonna tape it on all 4 corners and then put it on the press. So we got it all taped up. The front print's already cooled off. I usually leave the sheet on it. That way while it cools down, because I'm about to give it that double press right now. And then after all that, I'll peel them all off and it's good to go. We got this one on the press. Paper over it, make sure everything's down where it's supposed to be. And we're gonna press it on for the 15. Okay, we just pulled it off the press. We're gonna let it cool down, and then we're gonna peel it off, and everything should be good to go. We got it off the press, we peeled the paper off, and it's good to go. Look at this. Yep, there you go. Now that the shirt's all done, you just gotta bag it and it's ready to sell. That's it. We got it all wrapped in the bag. You can see the size, a little hit on the front. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you got any questions.